are here on the Brother Machine Tool Europe stand, and we're going to give you a brief description of every machine they have. Set us off. What are we sitting in front of first?
Okay, so this is our new machine, deburring center DG1. So this is a little bit different the other machine because it's not for the machining center. It is deburring. So we can use this very unique teaching controller.
I love that. Any of the younger generation will be able to use this machine straight away.
Yeah. So you can teach easily the points, and you can make every program without the G code and code.
And that's to stop people hand deburring. They can do it all in the machine. Where it's safer and to get a nicer finish.
That's right.
So that's the new deburring sensor. Right, we're going to move on. What's next?
Okay, so this is the M200X1. So this is multitasking machine, and we have also a new function for this machine. So this time we have the gear cutting for this machine.
Wow, I've never seen gear cutting on a Brother machine before.
Yeah. So in the past, this machine we have only the lathe function and machining function, but now we can cut the gear too.
What have customers thought of a gear cutting on a Brother?
With this machine, so they can not everything but everything, yeah. So gear cutting and the lathe and the machinings, and also the 5-axis machining.
So again, making it more cost effective because customers can do more in one machine than having multiple machines.
Yes.
Right, next on, and this one we've excited about the next one. So talk us through the advancements in this machine, which people should hopefully know about by now.
Okay, so this is the one of the the machine we want to push to everyone. So this is the Samhan XD25X with 100 tools. So
100 tools. That is madness to me, but it's brilliant. A machine of this size, this quick, with the capability now to do multiples of different work without the changeover.
Yes, and this time we have the two fixture, so for the aluminum cutting and for the carbon steel cutting.
So you're showing that this machine isn't just for the softer materials, you can cut hard materials as well?
Yes, as well.
And that's with the new 20K spindle as well?
That's right, that's the point.
You guys are pushing the boundaries when it comes to small, compact machining.
Yes, so please come in to see.
Now, we'll move on. What's the next machine we're going to see?
Okay, so next machine is also 100 tools. But this machine is with 5AX. So U500AX, D2, 5X 100 tools. And this time we have also the auto parameter system with a roller system.
Now this machine looks quite familiar to me because I'm sure we've spoke about this one before.
Yes.
And so what's the advantage of the automation system? Because again, 100 tools plus automation, that screams lights out machining.
So every customer who wants to have the 100 tools, they want to make the work, roar the fewer and the fewer. So with this machine, they can reduce the downtime, but they even have to, change the workpieces. But with this,
you can finish your working day on a Friday.
Yes.
Go home, come back on a Monday morning, and all your work is finished.
Right.
See again, customer focused. So that's the U500 XD2. But what we're going to see next, because you guys here seem to have a machine for everybody.
Yes, so next machine is also our popular machine, R650 X31 with power changer. So 2 power changer. So come in. So this time we also have the automation system with hand gripper.
Okay. So you're not just showing here at EMO, you're not just showing a rower automation system, you're showing other options of automation systems with the power system.
Power systems. And we don't need any robots. So this hand gripper works with a current through spindle. So you just need to make the G-code program.
So there's no extra hydraulics or pneumatics, it all just works through the spindle coolant.
Yes.
So again, more automation from Brother, again in a very small footprint.
Yes.
So I think we have one machine left. And
yes.
If I'm honest, I don't really want this tour to end because I'm learning so much. So talk us through the M300 XD1, which is the last machine on our tour.
So this is the last machine, M300 XD1 5AX. So this time we will show the brisk cutting.
Wow.
So with 5AX.
And again, showing that you guys can do aluminium and titaniums.
Yeah.
And again, no problems. Because I know some people look at these machines and think they are just for aluminiums and soft materials, but they're not. You can machine anything on one of these.
Yeah. We try to, offer every option for the customer.
So that's what you're cutting on this machine. But if we move round to the other side, what are you showing attached to this machine?
Yes, so we also showing this video. So this is also automation system. So you can put the every materials there, and then the conveyor carry to the inside, and then robot install the every materials.
So again, is that to help customers with lights out running and just trying to be more productive in their environment?
That's right. Yeah, that's the point from.
Well, from me and everyone at MTDCNC, thank you for your time today. It's been amazing to go around and see everything you have to offer, and I can't wait to hear from your customers about the advancements in 100 tools, 20K spindle, and all of that in such a small footprint. So thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you very much.